Institution, institution, institution. External, external, external. Compost, compost, compost. Potential, potential, potential. Purchasing, purchasing, purchasing. Relevant, relevant, relevant. Development, development, development. Forces, forces, forces. Hey love, welcome to another day in our 31 days journey, and today is actually the 24th day. Yes, we have some days left, and I don't know, but from your comments, guys, I've been excited. I can really tell that you guys are actually enjoying the journey. And that aside, if you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. Right here we learn how to read, write, and speak English. Yeah, so basically what we do here, we learn how to read, speak, and write English. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, then you can actually join this family by subscribing, and when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a video. And if you're my returning subscriber, keep being you, because you are just amazing. You guys are amazing. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go into the video as usual. Environment, environment, environment. Finance, finance, finance. Internal, internal, internal. Personnel, personnel, personnel. Factors, factors, factors. Account, account, account. Product, product, product. Totality, totality, totality. Price, price, price. Include, include, include. Department, department, department. Variable, variable, variable. Competition, competition, competition. Macro, macro, macro. Legal, legal, legal. Social, social, social. Political, political, political. Technology, technology, technology. Economics, economics, economics. Cultural, cultural, cultural. Demographic, demographic, demographic. Order, order, order. Known, known, known. Research, research, research. So here are the list of 2-letter, 3-letter, and 4-letter words you're going to see on today's comprehension. So we have them: is, up, off, as, or. Again, is, up, off, as, or. And 3-letter words we have the, mix, and none. Again, the, mix, and none. And for 4 letters we have unit, made, firm, also, such, like. Again, unit, made, firm, also, such, like. The marketing environment of a firm is composed of internal and external environment. The internal environment is made up of the marketing mix, also known as the 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place, and other non-marketing factors include such things as other departments or units of the firm. Again, the marketing environment of a firm is composed of internal and external environment. The internal environment is made up of the marketing mix, also known as the 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place, and other non-marketing factors include such things as other departments or units of a firm. External macro environmental factors. External macro environmental factors. They include 1. Competition. 2. Political and legal factors. 3. Technology. 4. Economic forces. 5. Social cultural forces. 6. Demographic factors. Alright, so far so good. This is where you're going to be stopping for today's lesson. Keep staying safe and make sure to take a very good care of yourself, okay? Life is too short for you to stay unhappy for a long time, so take good care of yourself. Keep staying safe and see you same time tomorrow. Bye for now.